So anyway, we put this special bolt lock on here, deadbolt lock, but as you notice, there's no handle to open the door. After we put it in there, we're going, well, wait a minute, we need a handle. So we got these off Amazon, so we're just gonna put them on there like this. All right, so this is what they come, just like that. And then you just gotta screw them on. You do get 2 screws for each one. And we're going into a steel door, so we're gonna need these. So let's do it.
Kind of centered above that.
So you want it just above this?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Because all I have to do is use it to pull.
Right. Yeah.
But make sure, don't pull like, you know what I mean by centered.
Yeah, I'll make it nice and even with this.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we can do that. All right, so we've got to kind of match these up and make sure that it's not too big of a hole so that these will bite and catch. So I'm going to use this bit. So what I got to do is get up here close and try to get it fairly even here, like this, and then make a couple marks. So I'm just going to go in like this. Wow, that's going to be tough, isn't it? Because you can't really get your, look at that. So I'm going to go right there. If I do that. So if I do that, that should be good, right? Problem is this is a steel door. We're getting there. Bam, done. Okay, now we've got to get this one matched up.
Would you like a pencil?
Yeah. So we're going right there. Almost. Now we should be able to put our thing on. Just got to get it on that hole right there. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it like this, and I'm getting it started. All right, so it's gone in. This is, I guess, the way I'm gonna have to do it. Like this. Because that's it. Bam, done. We'll find out here in a second. All right, we did it. We did it. All right, so that's it. We got it on there. Now I got to put one in the front. All right, as you can see, I put my holes in here. I drilled those. I marked them like this so I could find them. And now we're going to try getting this in there. So what I'm going to do is push this through like that so that I can find the hole. You know what I mean? So I can find it with this. Just get it started. Yeah, like that. Then I can get the screwdriver on it and twist it a little bit until it bites. I'll show you. So I get the screwdriver on it and I twist it in just to get it to bite. And bam, we're in. Now let's do the other side. Same thing, right? I'll come over here so you can see. And I just got to get it to bite. Record it. All right, so this is our second one. Getting her in there. Same thing. I had to drill some holes. And then I had to use the screwdriver because you can't get the bit in there. It's crazy. Get this side. There we go. And tighten this one down. That's it. Bam, done. So now we've got doorknobs. Oh, with this one here, I got to tighten down more. Look, it's sticking out. So let's get in there. Push it on. Now it's perfect. All right, that should work. Now she can get in and out of her house. All right, bam, done.